Hi guys! If you're thinking about buying the Midea Flexify Pro French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven, be sure to check the link in the description below for the latest deals and discounts before you make your purchase. Kitchen appliances have come a long way, and the Midea Flexify Pro is a perfect example of how one smart appliance can simplify everyday cooking. Instead of filling your countertop with multiple gadgets, this all-in-one oven combines air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, toasting, reheating, and more into a single premium unit that's designed for convenience and consistent performance. The first thing you'll notice is its elegant French door design. It doesn't just look modern, it also makes accessing your food much easier. The dual doors open smoothly from the center, giving you a wider opening without requiring extra counter space. Whether you're placing a baking tray inside or removing a hot meal, the design feels comfortable, practical, and surprisingly premium. Performance is where this appliance really starts to impress. Midea uses precision heat technology to distribute hot air evenly throughout the cooking chamber. That means every meal receives consistent heat from all directions, helping eliminate undercooked centers and overcooked edges. Whether you're preparing crispy fries, roasted vegetables, homemade pizza, or fresh cookies, the results are consistently satisfying. Its generous 26.4 quart capacity makes it suitable for both everyday cooking and family dinners. There's enough room to roast a whole chicken, bake a large casserole, toast several slices of bread at once, or prepare multiple servings without constantly cooking in batches. Despite its large interior, the appliance still maintains a countertop-friendly footprint. One of the biggest reasons people choose this model is its air frying capability. High-speed hot air circulation creates the crispy texture everyone loves while requiring far less oil than traditional deep frying. Chicken wings come out golden and juicy, fries stay crisp, vegetables roast beautifully, and frozen snacks cook quickly with excellent texture. It's an easy way to enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Versatility is another major advantage. Instead of switching between different appliances, you can handle breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, and snacks with one machine. Toast bread in the morning, bake cookies in the afternoon, roast vegetables for dinner, or reheat leftovers at night. The Flexify Pro adapts effortlessly to almost every cooking task. Operating the oven is refreshingly simple thanks to its modern control panel. The controls are easy to understand, the display is clear, and selecting cooking modes takes only seconds. Beginners will appreciate how intuitive everything feels, while experienced home cooks will enjoy the flexibility to customize temperature and cooking time. Cleaning is equally convenient. The Easy Clean enamel interior helps prevent grease and food residue from sticking, making post-cooking cleanup much faster. A quick wipe is often all that's needed to keep the interior looking fresh, which means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Energy efficiency is another benefit worth mentioning. Since the cooking chamber heats much faster than a conventional oven, it reduces preheating time while using less energy for smaller meals. Faster cooking also makes busy weeknight dinners much easier. Build quality adds to the overall premium experience. The sturdy construction, smooth opening French doors, modern finish, and thoughtful design details make this appliance feel like a long-term investment rather than just another countertop gadget. If you're searching for a stylish, versatile, and reliable countertop oven that delivers excellent air frying, baking, roasting, and toasting performance in one appliance, the Midea Flexify Pro deserves a place on your shortlist. It combines premium design with dependable cooking performance, generous capacity, and user-friendly controls that fit perfectly into today's modern kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. And if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, check the purchase link in the description for today's best available price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.